All right, guys, welcome back. So I will be selling this PC case right here along with some parts I have along the way. In case you guys are wondering, this is a Cougar Conquer 2. Let me just turn it around so you guys can see the face. All right, here's the face, guys. It's a bit dusty now because this was actually my first PC build ever. So I'll be selling this, guys. Yeah, guys, I will be selling this. This was actually my first PC build ever, and I will be selling this to online. So right now I'm just getting things together to get this ready for a sale. This will be an exciting build, but yet a very sentimental for me. But again, very first build, I just put it away because I moved on to the 700M Cooler Master. But for those who don't know, this is an open concept case. So if you guys are willing to go through the open concept case, it will be up for sale very shortly. Right now I'm putting parts together to put inside here. Well, I should say put in here because this is the inside for that case. It just slides right in through. So far for the motherboard, I have this one. I have the live mixer, orange. Makes sense for the build, right? Ryzen 9 7950X, guys, 3D. Alongside of that will be the GPU I have on hand. I think it's this one right here. I do have a cooler. I think this one is the Kraken 53. I have some streamers laying around, so maybe I'll be using those too as well. First thing, let's get started with the motherboard. Now here's that motherboard. Now the motherboard doesn't come with Wi-Fi, but I do have a Wi-Fi module to put inside this motherboard. So I will be installing that too as well for that seller. Or buyer, right, buyer. Now this motherboard wasn't used long term, it was just as a testing, and that was basically it. So it's basically a brand new motherboard. Like new, they would say. Oh, and here's that RAM by Corsair, Dominator Titanium, all two in here, guys. Here are the specs. Got it in there. Now this plate don't do much, but it does help with control the thermal paste. Here goes the RAM. Found the parts I needed. Okay, going for that MX6. There we go. Okay, so it's coming along little by little. It takes me a little while because I gotta look for parts that I put around someplace. I'm not a very neat guy, but I'm gonna try to get everything together to get this PC up and running, do some testing so you guys can see the performance. So this will be a part series, so you want to stay tuned for upcoming. Now the next thing I have to locate is a Wi-Fi module. All I gotta do now is just find it. Now I have to admit, I am having mixed feelings about selling it or doing a giveaway. But my channel is pretty small, but I don't know. There'd be some convincing to do for a giveaway. Maybe I'll talk more about that in part 2. Now I am still on the hunt for that module for the Wi-Fi. In the meantime, I'm putting inside the